I'm just a small egg. My mommy butterfly chose this perfect spot for me. I'm just waiting for the right moment to hatch and start my journey. Can you guess what my first snack is? My own eggshell. It's super tasty and gives me the energy to start munching on leaves. Now I am a caterpillar. I'm so hungry. What do you think? I start munching on yummy leaves. I'm growing bigger and bigger every day. I am so big now, right? And I love my new caterpillar life. I've grown so much. It's time for a big change. I need to find a special spot and make myself a chrysalis. Come on. Yeah, I'm out. How do I look? Awesome, isn't it? I finally became a butterfly. My wings are strong, and I'm ready to flutter around and explore the world.